Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. We are making a porridge today, and it's a nut and seed porridge. I wanted to create kind of like an oatmeal but with less oatmeal and a lot of other really great things. I'm not adding any protein powder to this recipe, and it's still very high in protein with a little secret ingredient that I add at the end. And it is a game changer. And you don't even taste it. So if you don't love the secret ingredient, I can guarantee you once you add it and you cook it, you're not gonna taste it. So it's a really, really quick recipe, especially if you have the ingredients on hand. The nuts and seeds are customizable, use whatever you like, but this combination is something that I have always at home, and it's something that I love. It's something, this is a recipe that is so incredibly nutritious with incredible healthy fats, a lot of fiber, a lot of protein, and good carbs. So this is a really great recipe, especially for women in midlife who need that extra protein and fiber. This is a great recipe for you. And for anybody who experiences, I'm gonna say it, constipation, this will definitely help you. I can guarantee it. It's a really quick recipe on the table within 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and this recipe makes 2 servings. So you can also double the recipe if that's what you need. So let's learn how to make this really incredible nut and seed porridge. You will need a medium-sized sauce pot, and we are going to add a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. This is sprouted oats. I'm using 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of ground flax, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, and 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. I'm adding 2 dates that have been chopped for some sweetness. 1½ cups of milk, any milk that you like. I'm using 1 cup of soy and ½ cup of cashew milk. Cinnamon, I'm doing about 1/4 teaspoon, but you can measure with your heart here. You can also add some nutmeg, ginger, pumpkin spice. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can also do a little almond extract if you like, about 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to turn the heat on to a medium-low. We're going to get this to a simmer, and once it gets to a simmer, we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we're going to add our secret ingredient. For protein, we are adding 1/2 cup of egg whites, and we are going to add them slowly, and we're going to stir constantly. And once you've added all of your egg whites, we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. The egg whites are going to make this nut and seed porridge incredibly fluffy. And it's ready. We're going to turn off the heat and we're going to serve. This nut and seed porridge is under 400 calories, about 26 grams of protein, with 10 grams of fiber. It is a perfectly nutritious and balanced breakfast. I hope you guys give this one a try. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so you know when we post our latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.